Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and if you are looking to maximize your lashes, I would definitely recommend adding this Grande primer to your mascara routine. I have tried mascara primers in the past, but this one is definitely the best that I've tried so far. It has an amazing brush that separates my eyelashes and totally coats them with the primer. The primer itself adheres really well to my eyelashes, and I love that I don't have to wait for the primer to dry. I can apply mascara immediately after the primer. The thickening and lengthening that it gives to my eyelashes is incredible. I notice a major difference using this primer as opposed to using mascara alone. I usually like to curl my eyelashes before applying this primer since I find that it really helps to hold the curl in my lashes. This stuff makes my eyelashes crazy big. They look so full, thick, and long that I have no need to wear false lashes. Since getting this primer, I rarely just apply mascara unless I am really pressed for time. I can't imagine skipping this Grande primer step in my mascara routine now. But that's just my point of view.